everyone, we're going to evaluate the improper integral. This is integrals with infinite integration limits. Given here, we have one negative infinity for the lower limit. We have 2 dx divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3. Before we get started, this has the form given for part 2. So this is the form we're going to be using to integrate this. Before we can do this, we need to use partial fraction decomposition to make integration easier. So some of you already know how to do this, but we'll just go ahead and do this very quickly as fast as I can. So I'm going to have 2 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 1 equals, and then we have 2 linear factors, so it's going to be a divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x minus 1. And we're trying to find the a and b. So to clear the fractions, just multiply by your denominator here, x minus 3 times x minus 1. All right, so this is going to give me 2 equals a times x minus 1 plus b times x minus 3. Again, I'm trying to go fast because at this stage, if you're doing this section, this should come more second nature to you. So let's simplify this. We get ax minus a plus bx minus 3b. So equating coefficients, I can write this as 0x plus 2 equals, we have the x, and that's going to be a plus b. And then we're going to put plus negative a minus 3b. All right, so this part goes with the 0x. So 0 equals a plus b. And this 2 goes with this one. So we have 2 equal negative a minus 3b. Now let's go ahead and add everything because we'll eliminate the a's. That gives me 2 equals negative 2b. So b is going to equal negative 1. So this is just going to be negative 1. And then if b is negative 1, going back to here, that means a has to equal 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this as 1 minus 1, like that. So that's our new integrand. Now let's use our formula given here and evaluate the improper integral. So we're going to get the limit. We're rewriting this as b approaches negative infinity, and then your integral is going to be from b to 0, and then we're going to have 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 1, and then we have our dx. All right, now we can go ahead and integrate, and we write the limit as b approaches negative infinity, and this part's going to be ln of x minus 3 minus ln of x minus 1. All right, and then you're evaluating it from b to 0. I'm going to use the quotient rule, or the quotient property, and write this as a single log. So we have the limit as b approaches negative infinity. I'm going to write this as ln of absolute value of x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. And we're evaluating again from b to 0. Now you're going to start with the 0 here, and we're going to get, if you plug in the 0, we're going to get ln of negative 3 divided by negative 1. And then for the b part, we're going to do minus ln of b minus 3 divided by b minus 1. All right, so this just equals ln of 3 This part here, when you're plugging in a negative infinity, this is just going to be infinity divided by infinity. This is just going to give you 1. ln of 1 is 0, so you basically have minus 0. So your answer is ln of 3. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.